Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Thanks for tuning in. Today I have a video that I'm going to talk to you about some things that I believe it's probably the most important things I've ever talked about on this channel as it pertains to precious metals, specifically gold. And there's some information coming out now that has alerted me and a lot of other people, and you may or may not know about it, but I'm going to talk to you about it in a minute. Also, please, if you would, like and subscribe. I appreciate you watching my videos. If you would, share them, whatever. It helps me out a lot. And another thing, I have to tell you, anything I say on here is not set in stone. I am not a financial advisor. I'm not a financial consultant. I'm just passing on this information to you. You guys do with it as you please. This stuff's opinion-based, but, this is an important topic, important enough that I decided to make a video when I wasn't planning on doing it today. So with that being said, I'll be right back. Something's going on in the precious metals world, and you may not be aware of it. You may be aware of it, but this has gotten my attention, and it has also gotten the attention of quite a few of my knowledgeable silver and gold stacker customers that have been in here. And we've been talking about this most of the day. Something's going on with the lbma. That's the, what is it called? The London Bullion Market Association. And apparently they're having trouble delivering the actual physical gold from these contracts. And that's starting to create a little bit of a panic in the precious metals world. For the longest time, we've listened to these theories and speculations, and up to this point, that's all it was, about how they don't actually have the physical metal to back these paper contracts. And, most of the time, I've blown them off because we've had no evidence, real hard evidence that this is actually true. And it's always been a theory. There's quite a few channels out there that have spoken about, silver to 500 overnight, gold to 5,000, 10,000 overnight. And normally, I just brush it off because it just seems ridiculous and unlikely. I'm not so sure they're wrong at this point, because now we're starting to get some actual hard evidence that there's some leakage in the dam, so to speak. And you can easily look a lot of this stuff up. It's out there now. I haven't seen anything on the news about it, but it's out there. And this can create a real problem because, they're supposed to deliver the actual physical gold, for example. I think this is mostly about gold. They're supposed to deliver the physical gold if the customer wants to take delivery of it from these contracts. And the last I heard, they're 4 to 6 weeks behind delivery, which means that, in my mind, that they don't have it, just like we've talked about or spoken about. And if that's the case, you could see a really massive short squeeze with gold, the price of gold. And I believe that silver would probably follow along to some degree. But, for the purpose of what we do know, we're talking about gold in this video mostly. Not only that it would create a panic, this would affect all the paper markets. It would also affect probably the stock market. And I could see money being pulled out of the stock market, even crypto, and flooded into gold. Because, gold has always been seen as a safe haven. And, this whole thing is kind of eye-opening. It's kind of unreal to me right now. Because most of the time, I don't look at things like with precious metals I'm not a pumper. I'm going to tell you that right now. I don't pump this stuff. But like I said, this has really gotten my attention, because if this is true, this could lead to really, really rapid price increases in gold. And, you know, it's pretty eye-opening. I think all you guys that are watching this channel, you should really pay attention to this. This is serious. I think this is one of the most important topics I've ever discussed on this channel. Let me put this camera down for a minute. I want to pull up something on my phone. I got this nifty camera that will actually follow me as I speak. But let me find this one second. Well, actually, first off, gold cracked 2,800 an ounce earlier today. As of to the making of this video, it's 27.93. So it's flirting with 2,800. I'd love to see it close above 2,800. We'll see. Silver's up 75 cents an ounce. It's at 31.65. So silver's coming along for the ride a little bit, but I'm really more concerned about what's going to happen with gold. I am making this during business hours, so if somebody comes in, I'll have to pause it and come back. But I want to post this up on the screen. I saw this on X. Gold on record watch, precious metal, less than $10 from all-time high of $27.90 set on October 31st, which this must be from, this is an earlier post because it cracked that, or he made a new all-time high. Dovish comments by Powell boosted gold, which has only had a handful of down days in 2025 amid what is shaping up as a unprecedented physical shortage in the lbma market. So, you know, some other people are talking about it. Obviously, this is where I got this information from. Other people are talking about it. This is an interesting post. I'm putting this up. He says, the bullion banks have to borrow gold from the central banks in order to meet deliveries, with a question mark. So I guess she's questioning it. London bullion market players are racing to borrow gold from central banks, which store bullion in London, following a surge in gold deliveries to the United States on speculation of potential import tariffs there. Two sources familiar with the matter said, the minimum waiting time to load gold out of the Bank of England, which stores gold for central banks, has reached 4 weeks. One of the sources said, in normal times, the release time is in a few days or a week. So these are some, you know, obvious warning signs. And like I said, I'm telling you guys, pay attention to this. This is not some hyped up information. Oh, you know, gold is going to go to this and silver is going to... No, this is reality. I try to keep my stuff real. And like I said, this is probably one of the most important things I've talked about, because I think this is real. I don't believe this is any fake news or made up stuff. This is the real deal. This is evidence that something's happening. And if it does happen, I will apologize to all the guys I like to call pumpers on the internet or on social media, because it would appear at that point that they were correct to a degree, I think. Well, most of it was just speculation until this point. But listen, guys, let me know in the comments what you think about this. I'm kind of pumped up about it, honestly. And I honestly, at this point, I wish I had more metal put away. And, you know, if this happens and this dam breaks, you might see those crazy prices that we've talked about really quickly. So let me know in the comments what you think. If you have any other information about this, I'd love to hear it below in the comments. I do read them. Everybody else mostly reads them. And, you know, let us know what you think. So until the next video, guys, have a great day. Oh, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks. Have a great day.